Hi guys, kamusta kayo? Kami ng pinsan ko ay magagawa ng flower gamit slime.
Shipping fee sa Jordan. Bawas yun na, dala ang aming mga damit kung nakaratay. Malaan mo naman sa ano kung magkano na siya.
Ay!
Ay, sige lang. Ayun yun, sige lang. Ayun. Yan, gumagawa lang.
Single na life, ayan.
Okay. Gawin na natin ng parang rose pot na. Ang lamig!
Siyempre.
Lamig!
Thank you so much sa mga nagpapalo yan ha. Magpalo kayo ng magpalo.
Fuck you, how does he do that, bro? Bro, I'm dead ass though. He did that shit to me. It was fucking crazy. And then, like, he did it.
No swearing, this is supposed
He did another one.
this is supposed to be a
Just, like,
friend from the channel.
After you kill me, like, okay, hold on. I'm gonna kill you right now. Recon standing by. Spawn. Recon standing by. Yeah, I mean, like, this one I know. Like, this one I know. The one where it was, like, by the dumpster, I can't fucking do it, though.
I know this out.
Dumpster? I don't know, like, a Pablo, but I know, like, the one like this, right? And then he does this one where it's, like on top of the container, which is, like, right here. It's such a crazy spawn trap, bro. Like, it's nasty. What does he wallbang like the dumpster? He does, like, wallbang. I've seen that one. I don't know, bro. Basically, you can't, like, it started from a Chinese
Bro.
on a computer.
I think I've seen that guy, like Kevin or some shit, right?
Huh?
I think I've seen that guy on TikTok.
Yeah, the Chinese dude.
We're hostile predators.
Bro, why is your rank so low, bro? The fuck am I of energy drinks? Oh, bro. No.
Might get copyrighted.
Your mic is so low.
Turn me up on Discord, bro.
Uy, go. Wala na naman. Kasi na ito.
We're definitely going to get
Shoot
copyrighted.
basketball.
It's raining!
It's raining water.
Come on, this guy! What's up? No need to ask why. Just open your eyes and close your eyes. Just open your eyes and close your mouth. It's raining water. Map to sky. Water. No need to ask why. Oh god, it's already 2 minutes long. Hey guys!
Hey guys!
Kumusta kayo? So,
Hindi ako siya. Bah! Gagawin dito. Kukunin to. Ay, pingin pa ako isa. Pingin pa ako isa.
oh. Konnichiwa!
Kunin mo na. Kunin mo yan, ba? Hindi ako may gawa naman, ba? Ayan. Tangan, dalawa na to. Sakto. Ay, ito, tatlo ba ito?
Pero guys, ang satisfying.
Toothpick.
Konnichiwa!
Mo dito kasi 38 pesos lang yan. Kesa naman masira lahat yung bullet tip mo, di ba? Pero alam naman na natin na yung ganitong mga acrylic marker, kahit mura, ang ganda pa rin ng quality. Perfect na to para sa mga
Gawa na lang
beginners
tayo
sa
ng noodles.
pagkakalapi. Kasi madali lang siyang gamitin. O di ba, hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng mamahalin.
Rainier?
Bumabakat sa likod, kaya kung gusto mo rin, i-check out mo na. Sige, i-bend mo lang yung bullet tip acrylic marker mo. Hanggang ganito yung maging itsura. Dapat kasi bumili ka na lang nitong brush tip para kahit i-bend mo, walang problema.
Gawa na lang tayo ng noodles. No!
May toothpick ko.
Ako magagawa ng sushi. Ikaw.
Noodles.
tinong sa'yo, gagawin mo lang worm. Nag-extra ano pa ako, ha?
Tingin ko nga yun. Ano matagal? Mga 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kita kita. 7, 8, 9, 10. Ako na.
Hala. Alam mo nung mochi meme na parang ganito?
Yushu. Ay.
Gawin natin. Gawin na lang natin yun. Ako nung maghahammer.
Ako nga mag-hammer.
Ako!
Hindi ako lalaki kaya. Ako hammer.
Okay, ako mag-ano.
Ikaw mag-hammer. Wala. Ilan mo dito?
Ay, so.
Ito yun. Ah. Hindi ka gano'n. Radyo. Hindi, ikaw hindi gano'n.
Okay.
Ako nga Yushu. Yushu.
Pati ka ikaw. Ayos, ah.
Yung noodles natin.
No. Yeah.
Yeah.
Extra pa ako kasi magagawa ako ng sushi.
Robert.
Ate, pwede ba nila itong huli?
Goober.
Hindi na kailangan isakto yan.
Oh, 13.
Pumasok ka sa live ko dahil
Ayos.
pinag-live ako ng brand para yung
Pakita mo. Ah.
Taba.
Ha? Hanap.
Ha?
Nahulog.
Brother, now.
Next.
Bruh. I think I made a working fan. It's a working fan! God damn it. Patay ba ang damdamin mo? Kasi bakit kami numulto? Guys, ako tapos na nung sushi.
Sarap.
Ito nung
Salam. Salam.
Gusto mo, ilagay ko to sa buhok mo. Slime to, ha?
Oh.
Natutunaw. Wap, ulit ako.
Hindi mo na-skip yun eh. Ito natutunaw.
Oh, goddamn.
I figured I'd show up to your car and offer some help. Really? Yeah, you need help? I mean, sure, dude. Start working. Yeah, I got this mop right here. Let's do it. All right, thank you. Hey, Justin, please. Oh, yeah, this is working really good. I got the back. Don't worry. I got the front. We're going to make sure I clean my car the best and I win this challenge. Oh, yeah, bro. Look at all this progress I just made. Why are you helping me? You're coming in your own car. So dumb. Yeah.
1 hour later, bago ko umuwi. Yes.
I just need that. You just made it worse. I was trying to help you with my mom. Go away. I wasn't done. Go. Okay, no, chill. I'm gonna use my tool against you. I gotta reclaim this whole thing. I'm literally just moving the mud around. No. That was successful. Cam's car is a lot dirtier than what it was.
Sa mga kapwa ko, pili dyan. Huwag kayo basta promote ha. Ito call out na. Nasang rugby.
1, 2, 3, 4. Hey. I got a condo in Manhattan.
Tapos na. Na medyo mapangit na nung sushi. Mapangit nung sushi na gawa ko ba? Magkakarba ko. Hindi ko kaya masyadong malikot yung slime.
Anong oras alis dito, Uber?
Hindi ko alam. 7? Eh, di ba dapat 8 ka aalis?
Ah,